Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about how to read the C# list items. So basically the list is nothing about our collection of items, and to read the list of items, so basically we can use the for loop or each loop. So let me just move to Visual Studio to give you some of the examples by using the for loop as well as the for each loop. So alright, so now I am in the Visual Studio to explain you about how to read the list of items by using the for loop as well as the for each loop. So let me first create a list, and also let me just add couple of items into that list, and after that I will show you with the example like how to retrieve the list of items from the list by using the for loop, and later on by using the for each loop. So alright, I have created a list of int, which means the list contains only int data type of value, and after that I added just 3 values into my list. So first one is 78, the next one is 88, and the next one is 43. So now let me use the for loop to read the list of items from this list. So here I just use the for loop, and to get the length of the list I just use the count properties, and after that I print each of the list items by using the list of int array, and where I just passed my I value, like initially it will be 0 and after that it will be 1 and 2 based on that length of the list. And here by using the console.writeLine I am just printing my list of values. Alright, so let me just run the application to see my output. So in the output window you can see, so the list of values are like 78, 88 and 43, because in my list I added these 3 values. So this is all about my for loop. Now let me show you another example with the for each loop. So here this code is belongs to for my for each loop, and here no need to use the array, but rather than that I can use like the x value, which prints my value like 78, 88 and 43. And let me just run the application again. So here in the output window also it is showing me the same output like 78 and 88 and 43. So this example is just based on the my list of int values, but I can take list of string, list of bool values, etc. Alright, so that's it for today's videos. Don't forget to subscribe.